Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is located right in the Google folder. From here, tap on the three bars and go into settings. At the bottom of the settings page, you will find Manage Contacts category, where you have the import option. And it gives you two options where you can import it from. So you have the VCF file or SIM card. Now we're gonna go with the SIM card. Tap on OK, and then you have by default every contact selected that isn't already on your device. So for me, it's only 3 different contacts, and the grayed out ones are already on my contacts, so I cannot import them. And from here, you can deselect the ones that you don't want by simply tapping on it like so. And once you have everything selected that you want, tap on the check mark right here, 2 SIM contacts imported, and you're basically finished. And now there will be over in here. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.